Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install MySQL Community Server 9.7.1 on Mac. Click on web browser. I am using Safari. You can use any web browser. Click on Google. Go to Google search. Type MySQL. Hit enter. Scroll down. Click on MySQL. MySQL official website is open. Click downloads. Scroll down. Click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click on MySQL Community Server. So you can see the MySQL version 9.7.1 LTS. Select operating system. It's already selected macOS. Scroll down. If you have Intel based Mac, then you can download x86 64-bit DMG archive. If you have Apple Silicon chip like M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, you can download ARM 64-bit DMG archive. But in my case, I have an Intel based Mac. So I'm going to select second option, x86 64-bit DMG archive. Click on download. Click allow. Now the downloading is started. It is 571.5 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is MySQL setup file. Let's right click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Close Downloads. Double click on MySQL package. Click Allow. Welcome to the MySQL 9.7.1 Community Installer. Click Continue. Software License Agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. Select a destination. Leave as default. Click Continue. This will take 719.7 MB of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here STB user password. Click Install software. Now the installation in progress. It will take some time. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Set the password of root user. Click Finish. Type here STB password again. Click OK. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to move the MySQL installer to the bin? In my case, I will don't keep this installer file. Click Move to Bin. Now once MySQL is installed, you can open the System Settings option. Go to Apple icon. Click System Settings. Scroll down. Click MySQL. You can see green light in front of MySQL and install instances. This means it's already running. Click on Configuration. You will see the directories related to MySQL. So you can see base directory, data directory, plugin directory. Now let's try connect to our MySQL using terminal. Go to Spotlight. Type terminal. Double click on terminal. Increase terminal font size. Go to MySQL settings. Copy the base directory path. Go to terminal. Type sudo. Paste the copied command on the terminal. /bin /MySQL space -u space root space -p. Hit enter. Type here admin password. Hit enter. Type root password which I earlier set during the MySQL installation. Hit enter. Now you can see MySQL connect on terminal. Now I'm going to see MySQL default databases. Type show databases semicolon, hit enter. These are the default databases of MySQL. Now I'm going to create new database. Type create database demo semicolon, hit enter. It's getting error, database spelling is mistake. Now fix the spelling, hit enter. Now our demo database is created. Let's verify the created database. Type show database semicolon, hit enter. Again it's getting error. Sorry, not database, it's databases. Hit enter. As you can see, demo database is showing here. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install MySQL 9.7.1 on Mac. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.